Have you noticed your vision getting blurry lately? Maybe the words on your phone look fuzzy, or faces on TV aren't as clear as before. Most seniors think blurry vision is just part of aging, but it's not. The real cause of blurred vision may start inside your eyes, and today you'll see how to fix it naturally. Every night, millions of seniors close their eyes, believing their vision problems are just part of getting older. But what if your eyes were actually trying to repair themselves while you sleep and simply running out of the right fuel? According to the National Eye Institute, vision health depends on how well your eyes receive oxygen, antioxidants, and essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, and omega-3. Without them, small blood vessels weaken, causing dry eyes, blurry vision, and even night vision loss. Take Robert, 68, from Florida. He noticed his left eye getting blurry in the morning. Reading the newspaper became harder, and driving at night made him nervous. His doctor told him it was just aging. But when Robert changed what he ate, adding simple foods rich in lutein and omega-3, his blurry eye vision started improving within weeks. The truth is, your eyes are living organs that need energy, just like your heart or brain. Every night while you sleep, your eyes perform a natural cleanup. They clear away waste, rebuild tiny light-sensing cells, and prepare for the next day. If they don't get the nutrients they need, that repair process slows down. That's when problems appear. Dry eyes, foggy mornings, sudden blurry vision in one eye, or sensitivity to light. So, what's missing in most senior diets? It's not more glasses or stronger lenses. It's nutrition. Harvard Health notes that antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C can reduce the risk of cataract and macular degeneration by over 40%. That means your body already has the power to protect your eyes and improve vision naturally, if you give it the right support. I'll share 8 specific herbs the doctors and researchers say can protect your eyes and even repair vision. Some of them are probably already in your kitchen, and one of them, according to recent U.S. studies, can help restore night vision in adults over 60. Can you guess which one it is? Stay with me, because we're about to explore exactly how each of these herbs can bring your clear vision back, step by step. Before we dive into the first herb, let me ask you something. Have you noticed your eyes feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Do they burn or get blurry when reading for too long, even with your glasses on? That's your eyes telling you they're overworked and undernourished. It's not just aging. It's a lack of what your vision truly needs to recover. Let's fix that together, starting with 8 simple herbs that can bring your clear vision back. Spinach isn't just good for muscles, it's powerful for your eyes. This simple leafy green is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants proven to protect your retina from blue light damage and slow down age-related vision loss. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, seniors who eat spinach several times a week have a lower risk of blurry vision and cataracts. That's because spinach helps your macula, the tiny part of your eye that keeps your vision clear, stay strong and healthy. If you often wake up with dry eyes or mild blurry eye vision, adding spinach to your daily meals may help. Try tossing a handful into your breakfast omelet or blending it into a smoothie. It's an easy way to support vision health, improve night vision, and maintain clear eyesight naturally. Simple, affordable, and effective. That's the beauty of spinach for eye health. Marigolds, those bright yellow flowers you might have growing in your yard, do more than decorate your garden. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, the same nutrients found in top vision supplements doctors often recommend for seniors. According to Harvard Health, lutein and zeaxanthin may improve visual performance and reduce glare sensitivity, 2 major issues behind blurry vision and night vision problems in older adults. These natural compounds, help protect the macula and filter harmful blue light from phones, TVs, and sunlight, common causes of eye strain and blurred vision. If you often feel your eyes tired after reading or driving, these nutrients can make a difference. Marigold extract, when taken in small, controlled doses, supports clear vision and reduces the risk of cataracts. We'll come back to how you can use marigold safely at home, but for now, remember, sometimes the best vision care begins in your own backyard. Ginkgo biloba has been around for more than 200 million years, and modern science now proves why it's still so powerful for eye health. This ancient tree helps improve blood flow to the eyes, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the retina, the part of your eye responsible for clear vision. Better circulation means your eye cells get the fuel they need to stay strong and prevent blurry vision. Studies published in the Journal of Ophthalmology show that ginkgo extract may help protect against glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, two leading causes of vision loss in seniors. Many older adults who take ginkgo regularly report reduced eye strain, improved focus, and clearer sight when reading or driving. If you've ever taken ginkgo before, share your experience in the comments. Has it helped your vision? Small changes like this can make a real difference in how your eyes feel and see every day. Paprika isn't just a colorful spice for your kitchen, it's a natural source of vitamin A, one of the most important nutrients for clear vision and healthy eyes. Vitamin A supports the retina and helps prevent night blindness, a common problem many seniors face when driving or walking in dim light. According to the National Eye Institute, maintaining healthy vitamin A levels can reduce the risk of dry eyes and blurred vision, two of the most frequent complaints in adults over 60. A small sprinkle of paprika on your soup, eggs, or roasted vegetables adds not only flavor, but also real protection for your eyesight. It helps your eyes stay hydrated, supports your cornea, and strengthens low-light vision naturally. Try adding a pinch tonight. Your eyes might feel the difference within weeks. But there's one spice even stronger for vision repair, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Turmeric is one of the most powerful herbs for eye health and vision repair. Its active compound, curcumin, helps fight inflammation, one of the leading hidden causes of blurry vision and eye strain in older adults. Inflammation in the retina can damage the delicate cells that control how clearly you see, leading to symptoms like dry eyes, redness, and gradual vision loss. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, also known as the NCCIH, confirms that curcumin can reduce chronic inflammation in the retina and improve overall vision health. That means turmeric isn't just good for joint pain or digestion, it also helps protect your eyes from oxidative stress, the same process that causes age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. You don't need to take large amounts to feel a difference. Even half a teaspoon added to your chicken soup or warm milk a few times a week can help reduce eye dryness and support clearer vision naturally. So next time you cook, add a little turmeric for your heart, your joints, and most importantly, your sight. Your future self will thank you each time you wake up and see the world a bit sharper. Black currant is one of the best natural ways to improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue, two common issues that cause blurry vision for many seniors. These small dark berries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that support blood circulation in the eyes and protect the retina from oxidative stress. Better blood flow means your eyes get more oxygen and nutrients, helping them adjust faster in dim light. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition, 2019, found that anthocyanins from black currant improved night vision adaptation and reduced eye strain in adults over 60. That's why pilots in World War II reportedly ate black currant jam to help them see better at night, and now modern science backs it up. If you often struggle to see road signs clearly while driving at dusk, or find bright headlights painful, black currant may help. You can enjoy it as tea, powder, or even jam. All offer similar benefits for vision health. Imagine reading street names clearly again, or watching a movie at night without squinting. That's the quiet power of these little purple berries working inside your eyes. Native to Chile and Patagonia, maqui berry is a small purple superfruit that's becoming a favorite among doctors who study eye health. It's packed with anthocyanins, natural compounds that protect retinal cells from oxidative stress, one of the key causes of blurry vision and dry eyes in seniors. A study published in the Journal of Ophthalmology found that maqui extract improved dry eye symptoms and tear production within just 30 days. That's because it supports hydration and reduces inflammation inside the eye, helping maintain clear vision even after long hours of screen time or reading. Margaret, a 70-year-old retired teacher, started adding a spoonful of maqui powder to her morning smoothie. Within weeks, her eyes stopped feeling gritty and irritated. She said, "It felt like my eyes could finally breathe again." This small daily habit became her simple, natural fix for long-term vision care and comfort. Goji berries are the #1 herb for protecting and repairing aging eyes. These bright red berries are packed with zeaxanthin and vitamin A, two essential nutrients that strengthen the retina, prevent dry eyes, and support clear vision. They help filter harmful blue light, the same light that can cause long-term blurry vision and eye strain for seniors. According to the National Library of Medicine, adults who consume just 14 grams of goji berry daily experienced a measurable reduction in oxidative stress in the retina, meaning the eyes were better protected from cellular damage that leads to vision loss. For older adults struggling with cloudy sight, glare sensitivity, or night vision issues, this small change can make a real difference. Many seniors use goji berries as a natural vision supplement, either dried, in tea, or blended into morning smoothies. They not only help with vision improvement, but also promote better energy and immune support, making them a powerful choice for overall senior health. Your eyes can heal, even at 70. Your body just needs the right fuel. Goji works together with other anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric to restore balance inside your eyes. And remember those 2 herbs that helped Margaret recover from dry, gritty eyes. They were goji and turmeric, 2 natural allies for anyone who wants to protect their sight and keep their world sharp and bright. It's not age that steals your vision, it's neglect. The good news is your eyes are designed to repair themselves when given the right care. Every night while you sleep, your body runs a natural cleanup process to remove waste from the retina and rebuild the tiny cells that allow you to see clearly. But that repair can't happen if your diet lacks the nutrients your eyes depend on. Things like vitamin A, omega-3, and antioxidants found in herbs such as goji, turmeric, and spinach. According to Harvard Medical School, lifestyle and nutrition can slow or even reverse blurry vision and early signs of macular degeneration. That means you don't need expensive treatments or surgery to regain clear vision. Real change starts at your table. One small adjustment, one mindful choice. So, if you've been waking up with dry eyes or struggling with night vision, remember this. Your eyes are not giving up. They're asking for help. The foods you eat, the herbs you use, and the care you give each day decide how clearly you'll see tomorrow. And that's something you can start improving tonight. You don't have to accept blurry vision or tired eyes as part of aging. Your body still knows how to heal. It just needs the right support. Each of these 8 herbs, from spinach and marigold to goji berry and turmeric, gives your eyes the nutrients they've been missing for years. They help reduce dryness, improve night vision, and protect against vision loss caused by daily stress and aging. Before, reading small print or recognizing faces in dim light might have felt frustrating. But when your eyes get the nutrition they need, those moments can change. Imagine watching TV or reading a book without reaching for your glasses every few minutes. That's the real power of proper eye care and natural vision improvement. It's never too late to rebuild your eye health and start seeing the world with confidence again. If you've been wondering how to fix blurry vision naturally, this is where it starts. One meal, one habit, one new choice at a time. If this message gave you hope, click like and subscribe. It helps more seniors discover natural ways to protect their eye health and restore clear vision. Share your age and where you're watching from in the comments. Your story could inspire someone struggling with blurry vision or dry eyes right now. And don't go far. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to fix blurry vision naturally with 2 simple herbs you can use before bedtime to boost night vision and reduce eye strain overnight. Take care of your eyes today, so tomorrow the world looks bright and sharp again.